What is up? What is poppin'? It is your girl Samarra, and I'm back with another video. I'm stacking my bricks like a chimney.
My bricks like a chimney. Got a stiffy. I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
And today we're going to be doing 2 space buns tutorial with a zigzag part. That's basically what the video is going to be. I'm not going to keep yammering about it. So make sure you hit that like and comment and subscribe button. We're on the road to 7K. I would really appreciate it if y'all subscribe. Because once we hit 7K, it's wraps. It's going to be road to 10K. So yeah. I also want to take the time to shout out these 2 people who commented down below in my last video the amount of times I said cute. So shout out to y'all. Let's just get into the video. So firstly, I'm starting off on a braid out. I washed my hair about a week ago and I braided it with curling cream and oil, and I just left it in for the whole week because I haven't really been manipulating my hair because I'm at home. See? They even know it too. But, yes, alright, you're doing too much now. If you hear birds in the background, I'm sorry.
AK Marv produced it.
When you finish your part, you're going to take whatever you're using to lay down your hair. Again, I recommend a hard gel or whatnot to lay down your hair if you have kinky hair like me, so that you can get that slick. And basically, you're just going to put gel around your roots. Make sure you put it especially right here where the part is, because you want the part to be crisp and clean. I'm going to pick out my hair before I do that, and then I'll apply the gel. If you want your thing slick, get a hard bristle brush, because that thing will get your hair slick. It will lay down your hair. Like, don't you ever hate when you're tying your hair up and you get those little bumps? Come on, you can go one more time. Just one more time.
AK Marv produced it.
Here's one of the most important steps into getting your space buns looking like space buns. So now you're going to need like 2 other scrunchies. If you don't have 2 other scrunchies, you could use elastics. What you're basically going to do is you're going to take the hair, and you're going to take your elastic or scrunchie or whatever you're using, and depending how big or tight it is, you dictate how many times you want to wrap it. But basically, you're just gonna put it like right on top of like the actual scrunchie you use to tie your hair. And if you want, you can tie it again. I'm gonna tie it twice because I don't want the elastic to be too tight. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now you take your hair and you wrap it, and you can bobby pin it if you want it to keep it more secure. I'm not gonna do that only because my hair for some reason stays just by me wrapping it. So you're basically gonna just wrap it until you get your shape, till you get the size you want. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, it's in the 2 buns, and it's super duper slick, and it has the zigzag part. So I really hope this video helped you out. It was very quick, straightforward, to the point, and something that anybody and everybody, no matter what hair type you have, can do. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Road to 7K, baby. Make sure you hit that subscribe button especially. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out at the show.